Walking into a gym for the first time can feel intimidating. You see all these machines, people who look like they know exactly what they're doing, and suddenly you start wondering if you even belong there. If you've ever stood at the gym entrance feeling confused, nervous, or completely lost about where to start, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I am going to remove that fear and confusion by showing you exactly how to get started at the gym step by step in the simplest way possible. You don't need any experience, you don't need to be super fit, and you definitely don't need to copy what everyone else is doing. By the end of this video, you'll know which exercises to do, how to do them correctly, and how to feel confident every time you walk into the gym, knowing you're doing things the right way. Welcome to this Beginner's Gym Exercise Guide. My goal here is to make fitness simple, safe, and stress-free for anyone who is just starting out. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know as a beginner, starting with how to warm up properly, then moving into easy-to-follow upper body, lower body, and core exercises that are perfect for beginners. I'll explain each exercise step by step, show you the correct form, and point out common mistakes so you can avoid injuries and actually see results. I'll also cover how many reps and sets you should do, how much rest you need, and how to choose the right weight without overdoing it. You don't have to remember everything at once, just follow along and focus on learning. This is not about being perfect or pushing too hard. It's about building a strong foundation and creating a habit you can stick to. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's get started on your fitness journey together. Walking into a gym for the first time can feel overwhelming. You might see rows of machines, people lifting heavy weights, and suddenly you feel like everyone knows what they're doing except you. That feeling alone stops many beginners from ever starting. But let me tell you something important. Everyone you see in the gym was once a beginner too. No one starts confident, strong, or perfect. This video is here to remove that fear and confusion. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step through gym exercises made specifically for beginners. You don't need prior experience, and you don't need to push yourself beyond your limits. All you need is the willingness to start. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to warm up properly, perform basic gym exercises with correct form, and structure your workout safely. My goal is simple. After watching this, you should feel confident enough to walk into the gym and know exactly what to do. So if you're ready to stop feeling lost and start feeling confident, let's begin this journey together. Welcome to this beginner-friendly gym exercise guide. This video is designed for people who are completely new to the gym or anyone who feels unsure about exercising the right way. My purpose here is not to impress you with complicated workouts, but to help you build a strong foundation. In this video, I'll break everything down into simple steps so you can follow along easily. We'll start with warming up because preparing your body is one of the most important parts of any workout. Then we'll move into basic upper body exercises, lower body exercises, and core movements that are safe and effective for beginners. I'll explain what each exercise does, how to set up the machine or position your body, and what mistakes you should avoid. I'll also talk about how many reps and sets you should do and how long to rest between exercises. Remember, this is not about rushing or comparing yourself to others. Progress takes time and consistency matters more than intensity. So take it slow, listen to your body, and focus on learning. Let's get started. Before lifting any weights, warming up your body is essential. A proper warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles, prepares your joints for movement, and reduces the risk of injury. As a beginner, this step is not optional. Start with 5 minutes of light cardio. This could be walking on the treadmill, cycling on a stationary bike, or using an elliptical machine. The goal here is not to exhaust yourself, but to gently raise your heart rate. After that, move into dynamic stretches. These are movements that take your joints through a full range of motion. Do arm circles to loosen your shoulders, leg swings to prepare your hips, and shoulder rolls to release tension. Avoid holding stretches for too long before your workout. Instead, keep your movements controlled and smooth. Pay attention to how your body feels during this time. If something feels tight or uncomfortable, slow down and move gently. A good warm-up sets the tone for your entire workout. It helps you move better, lift better, and feel more confident when you start exercising. Now let's move on to upper body exercises. These exercises focus on your chest, back, shoulders, and arms. As a beginner, machines are a great place to start because they guide your movement and help maintain proper form. Begin with a chest press machine. Adjust the seat so the handles are at chest level. Sit with your back flat against the pad, grip the handles, and press forward slowly. Focus on controlled movements, not speed. Next, move to the lot pull-down machine to work your back. Adjust the seat and thigh pad, grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width, and pull it down toward your chest while keeping your back straight. Avoid leaning back too much. Then try a shoulder press machine or light dumbbells. Sit tall, press the weight upward, and stop just before locking your elbows. Throughout these exercises, focus on breathing. Exhale as you push or pull the weight, and inhale as you return to the starting position. Start with light weights and prioritize. Learning proper form. Lower body exercises are extremely important because they strengthen some of the largest muscles in your body, including your legs and glutes. These muscles support daily movements like walking, sitting, and standing. Begin with bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and lower yourself by pushing your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Make sure your knees track in line with your toes. If squats feel difficult at first, that's normal. Take your time. Next, move to the leg press machine. Adjust the seat so your knees are bent comfortably. Place your feet flat on the platform and press through your heels to extend your legs. Do not lock your knees at the top. Finally, try leg extensions or leg curls to isolate your thigh muscles. Move slowly and with control. Lower body exercises may feel challenging, but they are essential for building strength and balance. Always focus on proper form over heavy weight. Your core plays a vital role in stabilizing your body and supporting almost every movement you make. A strong core helps protect your lower back and improves posture. As a beginner, simple core exercises are more than enough. Start with the plank. Place your forearms on the floor, extend your legs behind you, and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your core and hold this position while breathing normally. If holding a plank feels too difficult, drop your knees to the floor. Next, perform basic crunches. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your hands lightly behind your head or across your chest. Lift your shoulders slightly off the floor using your abdominal muscles, then slowly lower back down. Avoid pulling on your neck. Focus on slow, controlled movements. Core training is not about speed or high reps, it's about control and connection with your muscles. Even a few minutes of core work can make a big difference over time. Now let's talk about reps, sets, and rest, which often confuse beginners. For most exercises, aim for 8 to 12 repetitions per set. This range is ideal for building strength and learning proper form. Start with 2 to 3 sets per exercise. Between each set, rest for about 60 to 90 seconds. Rest is important because it allows your muscles to recover so you can perform the next set properly. When choosing weights, start lighter than you think you need. You should be able to complete all reps with good form while still feeling challenged toward the end. If the weight feels too easy, you can increase it slightly next time. If it feels too heavy or your form breaks down, reduce the weight. Remember, progress comes from consistency, not rushing. Focus on learning, improving slowly, and showing up regularly. That's how real results are built. As we come to the end of this video, let's quickly recap what you've learned. You now know how to warm up your body properly, perform basic upper body, lower body, and core exercises, and structure your workout using beginner-friendly reps and sets. More importantly, you've learned that the gym doesn't have to be scary or confusing. You don't need to do everything perfectly. You just need to start. Aim to train 3 days a week with full body workouts and give your body time to rest between sessions. Over time, you'll feel stronger, more confident, and more comfortable in the gym environment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Your fitness journey doesn't start with perfection. It starts with action. Take that first step, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. As we wrap up this video, I want you to remember that starting your fitness journey doesn't require perfection, confidence, or advanced knowledge. It only requires you to show up and take that first step. Everything you learned today is more than enough to begin working out safely and effectively. Focus on warming up properly, using correct form, and choosing weights that allow you to stay in control. Progress will come with time, not overnight, and that's completely okay. Aim to stay consistent, even if it's just 3 days a week, and trust the process. Every workout you complete builds strength, discipline, and confidence, both physically and mentally. If this video helped you feel more comfortable about going to the gym, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's just getting started. If you have any questions or want guidance on specific exercises, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help. Your fitness journey starts now, not when you feel ready, but when you decide to begin. Stay patient, stay committed, and I'll see you in the next video.